Proud family. Alright, you guys, we're gonna let this sit for how long?
I set a timer.
How long?
30 minutes.
Alright, you can stop it because my hands. We'll be back.
Hey y'all, what's good? Today I'll be showing you the finished look after my sister's hair is 2-strand twist, and you'll see the color and the twist all together coming in as one, so be sure to watch the full video. Let's get into it. Alright you guys, so I had accidentally had the bottle upside down, but it's African Pride leave-in conditioner. I'm going to insert the name in the video. Sorry about that. Alright y'all, so here I'm showing you what my sister's hair texture looks like. It's really loose, completely the opposite of mine. It's not tight, but it does get tangly easily. So I'm just combing through and making sure that I'm getting all the tangles and knots out. look shiny. Keep turning. You don't have to do slow-mo. I can do it on the camera. Let's get the other side. Thank you. Okay. I'm here for it. I wish I could have the sound, but the washing machine is gone. Shake your head. Shake your head. Shake. Ooh, sis. Okay. Oh my gosh.